In this next tutorial, I will show you the style references 10,201 to 10,250. At the very end, you will get a special use case to illustrate the benefits of using style references. The singing Viking on the bottom left was generated with Runway Gen-3. In this tutorial, he will warble a ditty and introduce you to the various style references. I hope you like his grim face. Before we begin, style references, or as commonly referred to in Midjourney, --sref, are predefined codes that affect your image results quite significantly. These differ not only in terms of style and image, but also in terms of color. As there are so many of these codes, immersing yourself in this matter is always a bit of a journey of discovery. And the best thing is, once you have decided on a style, all you have to do is concentrate on the short text sequence, i.e., the core prompt of what you want to express with your image. Don't forget the aspect ratio at the end of each prompt. In our case, we use 16.9, and, as of today, quality level 2 to ensure the best possible output. And of course, the style reference must not be missing. Simply enter --sref, a space in the number of your choice. You will find the corresponding number in large letters on the right so that you can assign the images to the style code. Let's get started. Shall we? We will use the following very simple basic prompt, a Viking king in front of a castle, for this tutorial. Of course, you can also use a prompt of your choice, something unusual if necessary. Working with Midjourney and creating images is always fun because you can try things that don't exist in reality. See you on the Midjourney website in a moment. Instead of just reading out the numbers of the style references, I will instead tell you a little about the results of this tutorial. Always remember, if you use style references, keep the prompt short so that the individual styles are used to their full potential. Have a look at one of my other tutorials. This is called Decoding Style References, 4 Tips. There, I explicitly address the challenges of using style references. The images created for this tutorial feature all kinds of different options. Childishly naive, painted, illustrated, colored, or black and white. We see a lot of illustrations, some of them a little confused, but there is also photorealistic output. Some things are carried by patterns or color gradients. Others show a very dramatic staging of a situation. Many of these images could be perfectly integrated into children's books, computer games, or board games. As I have a corporate communications company myself, I know how important it is to present customers with consistent designs. Midjourney makes it easy to realize complete campaigns. If you also know how to turn images into films, you'll be at the forefront of innovation. Then add Suno for music and ElevenLabs for voiceovers, and you have a perfect result. As you can see, there's a lot you can do. And that's the exciting thing about the style references. You use them to define a consistent style for all your images. From now on, I will always show you an example at the end of the tutorials so that you can see how to create consistent images. This time, it's the style reference number 10,232. I've used a Viking. He's in a drunken stupor. He is holding a pint of beer while sleeping. He's dreaming of his meowing cat. Why is she meowing? Because the food bowl is empty. In his dream, the cat suddenly turns into a fury and yells at the Viking, "Gimme the food, man!" The Viking, completely shocked, is startled and screams in fear, "Yes, I'll be right there. I'll give you your food." In the end, they are all happy again, cuddling and enjoying their lives. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI Now you know.